Alright guys, this is the random for the 2-box jumbo break. We're going to go live. $704 there, $704 here. We'll copy the names. Get the running clock back up here. Roll the dice, 4 more. We got 4 again. We're going to go 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Last round. We got David's Spotch on top. I'm going to copy that. Paste that in there. Copy the teams. Paste the verification there. And we're going to do a new giveaway. This will be Jumbo 2 jumbo box teams. It's not what I wanted. $15 there, 4 more. Roll it again. And we got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Copy. I'll paste it there. There are your teams.